Hey crafties, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make easy bird hanging. Materials required: scissor, sketch pen, ice cream sticks and few unique color papers. Step 1. Take 5 ice cream sticks and paste them in pentagonal shape with the help of Fevicol. Put it aside and let it dry. Step 2. Take the color papers and draw a small circle and big circle. Take another color paper and cut 2 rectangles in it. Step 3. Now paste circles as shown. They will look like this. And take rectangle sheets and fold them in a zigzag pattern. Paste them to the back side of body. And take another color papers, cut them as shown. Got flowers. Take green color papers to cut the leaves. Cut small triangles to make the beak. Now draw eyes of the bird with sketch pen. Now paste the birds as shown. Paste leaves and flowers to the frame. Add detailing on flowers with the help of sketch pen. Take another cutting of color paper to hang the frame. Final output will look like this. Please like, share and subscribe.